Hi beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health. So today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection. So in this video I am going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of summer wears, crop top design ideas for ladies and girls. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of trending fashions of crop top designs and short top design ideas for ladies and girls. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of short tops designs and crop top styles. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of crop top styles, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. I hope so you will enjoy this video, you will love these designs. So must watch this video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of crop top designs for ladies and girls for your summer season, so please dear ladies, dear girls, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of crop top designs, short top designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinion, so must share your opinion in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.